Hello and welcome back to our video series on Microsoft Fabric, where we're currently prepping you for the DP 600 exam. Today we're going to be talking about custom themes in Microsoft Power BI, which is an exciting one because it blends both the world of Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. All right, let's go ahead and let's jump into Microsoft Power BI. So first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit this search bar here. I'm going to type in Power BI. And when it opens, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new blank report. All right, so themes in Microsoft Power BI, you can access over here by clicking this View tab, and then you can click this drop down right here, and you can see all of the various themes. Themes allow you to customize and change the look of your Power BI report with just a simple button. You can also create your own custom Power BI themes on your own. You can do this by hitting Customize Current Theme, which will then pop open all of these settings. And you can do a deep dive into each and every single one of these. You can also get into the Advanced section right here. You can change your text for certain visuals and your font family. You can really change even the backgrounds or the backgrounds of the filter pane. Now, if that's not enough options for you, don't worry, because there is another option, and that is you can go ahead and you can write your own custom theme using Json. That's really all Power BI themes are. So like if I go into this theme right here and I change some colors around, I would have the option to go save, and I could save it as a custom theme. It's currently grayed out because I haven't made any changes, and it would give me a JSON file. If you are editing that JSON file, what you can do is you can go to this link in the Microsoft Power BI Learn forums, and you can go down and you can download, if we go down over here, the Microsoft theme JSON file. Really, one thing I just want to highlight, or JSON file schema, and one thing I just want to highlight here is that the only line you're in JSON that you technically need is the name, but you can go ahead and you can download the JSON file and you can edit that in VS Code, just like this. Now, if that's too advanced for you, but the default Power BI customization isn't giving you enough options, what you can do instead is you can use an online themer. Now, there's quite a few different versions of these. If you Google around, a lot of the different consulting firms have built out their own custom Power BI themer, but my absolute favorite themer is by a European, I think they're German. Sorry if I'm wrong on that. Themer called themes.pbx by Point. And if you notice in here, you can customize just pretty much anything for any chart. So if you go in here, you can set global options, optional global level, page canvas. You can set custom themes for various visuals, so on and so forth. This right here, this is my favorite Power BI themer. And not only that, you can download a theme, and then if you find one you like, you can then re-upload that JSON theme, and it'll load all of those settings for you to go ahead and edit on your own. So you don't even have to start from scratch. All right, well, that's it. That's a brief overview on Power BI themes. We're reviewing this as part of the Fabric series because it is on the study guide. But I hope you learned something, and I'll include both the links to this Microsoft documentation down here, as well as this theme tool by Point down in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.